Are you accidentally making a mistake with your dog's food? A mistake so common that almost every dog owner makes it, and most don't realize it until it's too late. That's warn about it. Nutritionists talk about it quietly, but pet food marketing hides it very well. And today, I need you to listen carefully, because this single feeding mistake can shorten your dog's life. You love your dog. You feed them every day. You think you're doing everything right. But what if the thing you do with love is slowly harming their body from the inside? Here's the shocking truth. The deadliest feeding mistake most dog owners make is feeding the same type of food the same way every single day, without adjusting for age, digestion, moisture, and biological needs. It sounds harmless. It sounds normal. But biologically, it's dangerous. Dogs are not machines. Their digestive system changes as they grow. What nourishes a puppy can damage a senior dog. What suits an active adult can silently inflame a young dog's gut. Yet 98% of owners feed all dogs the same way. Let's start with the biggest hidden danger: dry-only feeding. Dry kibble is convenient, affordable, marketed as complete nutrition. But here's what labels don't tell you. Dry food contains less than 10% moisture. A dog's natural diet is supposed to contain 60 to 75% moisture. That means every bowl of dry food puts your dog in a state of chronic dehydration. Not enough to notice in one day, not enough to trigger thirst immediately, but enough to stress the kidneys, thicken the blood, and slow digestion over time. And here's the hook most owners miss. Dogs don't drink water to compensate properly. Their thirst drive is weaker than humans. They don't feel dehydration early. So day after day, year after year, their organs quietly struggle. Now let's break this down by age, because this mistake affects every life stage differently. Let's start with puppies. Puppies are growing machines. Their organs are immature. Their gut lining is thin. Their enzyme system is still developing. And yet, many puppies are fed adult kibble, or fed dry food soaked for only a few days, then switched back to dry pellets. Here's the danger. Dry food expands in the stomach. A puppy's stomach is small. This causes bloating, gas, and micro-stretching of the gut wall. Over time, this leads to poor nutrient absorption, weak immunity, frequent diarrhea or constipation, and early gut inflammation. But the scariest part? Early gut damage in puppies can program lifelong digestive disease, food sensitivities, skin allergies, weak immunity, all starting from a bowl you thought was healthy. Now, here's a quick hook. If your puppy eats fast, drinks water after meals, and then feels sleepy or uncomfortable, that's not normal. That's digestive stress. Puppies need higher moisture, softer textures, easier protein digestion, and frequent feeding adjustments. But most puppies get none of that. Now let's talk about young adult dogs, the group most owners completely ignore nutritionally. This is where the biggest myth lives. He's healthy, active, and energetic, so the food must be fine. Wrong. Young dogs can hide nutritional damage very well. This is the stage where owners overfeed calories but underfeed nutrients. Here's how the deadly mistake looks in young dogs. Same kibble, same quantity, same bowl, same timing. No rotation, no moisture adjustment, no consideration of activity level. This leads to low-grade inflammation, gut microbiome imbalance, early joint stress, and hormonal disruption. And the hook here is shocking. Inflammation doesn't cause pain immediately. It silently damages tissues for years before symptoms appear. That's why dogs suddenly develop arthritis at 5 or 6, allergies out of nowhere, chronic ear infections, unexplained weight gain. It didn't start suddenly. It started in the food bowl. Another hidden danger in young dogs is feeding by label instructions only. Pet food labels are averages. Your dog is not average. Activity level, breed, metabolism, climate, all ignored. Overfeeding even good food leads to fat accumulation inside organs, especially the liver, and liver stress changes hormone balance. Now let's pause for an important hook. If your dog is eating the same food for over a year without change, you are already making the mistake. Now we move to the most vulnerable group, senior dogs. This is where this feeding mistake becomes deadly. Senior dogs have slower digestion, weaker kidney filtration, lower stomach acid, lower enzyme production, and yet they're often fed the same food they ate at age 2. Dry food in seniors does 3 dangerous things. First, it forces kidneys to work harder to extract water. Second, it increases toxin concentration in the blood. Third, it slows bowel movement, causing constipation and gut toxicity. This leads to kidney disease, liver overload, brain fog, muscle loss, and reduced lifespan. And here's the emotional hook. Many senior dogs don't die from age. They die from years of nutritional stress. Another mistake owners make with seniors is reducing food quantity instead of improving food quality. Less food doesn't mean better digestion. It often means nutrient deficiency. Seniors need higher quality protein, easier digestion, more moisture, joint-supporting nutrients, and gut-friendly feeding patterns. But instead, they get less of everything. Now let's expose another dangerous habit, feeding twice a day like clockwork, regardless of dogs' needs. Some dogs do better with smaller, more frequent meals, softer food at night, lighter digestion in the evening. Rigid feeding schedules ignore biology, and biology always wins. Now here's a powerful hook. Your dog's body changes every year, but most feeding habits don't. That mismatch is what causes disease. So what should dog owners do differently? First, add moisture. Not just water on the side, moisture in the food. Warm water, broth, lightly hydrated meals. This alone reduces kidney stress dramatically. Second, adjust food by life stage, not by brand. Puppies need softness and digestibility. Young dogs need balance and variety. Seniors need support and moisture. Fourth, rotate safely. Same food every day causes gut stagnation. Rotation supports microbiome diversity. And a healthy gut controls immunity, mood, skin, and lifespan. Fourth, watch your dog, not the label. Stool quality, energy levels, coat shine, water intake. Your dog tells you everything, if you know where to look. Now, the final hook? This feeding mistake doesn't look dramatic. There's no sudden collapse, no immediate emergency. It works quietly, slowly, day by day, until one day the vet says, kidney values are high, liver enzymes are elevated, chronic inflammation, and you're left wondering, how did this happen? I fed good food. The truth is painful, but empowering, because once you fix how you feed, not just what you feed, you give your dog something priceless. More healthy years, more energy, more comfort, more life. Your dog depends on you for every meal. Make sure love isn't mixed with a silent mistake, because the bowl you place on the floor today decides how long your dog walks beside you tomorrow.